So ayun na nga ang chika. For this video, samahan nyo kung gumawa ng sarili nating dishwashing liquid. Ang kagandahan sa dishwashing liquid na to is that magagawa mo siya in just 3 simple steps. Hindi ka na papalpak dito. All you just have to do is to just add water, mix, and enjoy. Step 1. Buksan at isalin ang dishwashing liquid concentrate sa malinis na timba na may panghalo. Step 2. Maglagay ng 5 liters ng water and mix continuously for about 5 minutes or hanggang maging smooth ang ating mixture. Step 3. Isalin sa inyong mga desired na lalagyan and that's it. Napakadali lang, di ba? Nakasave ka na ng time kasi ready mix siya, and at the same time nakasave ka ng money kasi ang dami mong nagawa. I'll be sharing kung saan ko siya nabili sa Lazada and I'll post a link sa comments down below. So this video is not sponsored. Gusto ko lang i-share ang aking knowledge on how we could save as a consumer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next vlog. Happy washing!